Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Susan. Today we'll talk about how to make a cough syrup the natural way. So you'll need about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You let it caramelize in your pan. You have to check it. It shouldn't get dark. It should just get brown in color. Because if it gets dark, then it loses its purpose. So just let it caramelize on low heat and keep stirring like I am so that it evens out well. So this would use about a cup of pre-boiled ginger water. So put your ginger water aside as well. So before you caramelize your sugar, pre-boil your ginger in water, maybe a cup or so. For this recipe, I just used a cup to a cup and a half. Like I'm doing here now, it's starting to melt little by little. After it has totally melted, add your ginger water. Yeah, you could use about a thumb to 2 thumbs of ginger in your 1 cup of water. Then pour it, let it simmer for a while, and then let it cool on the side. Ginger has a lot of good effects. It's anti-inflammatory, it's used as an expectorant effect, it soothes the throat, and it suppresses cough reflex. You have to try this. And it's also antimicrobial. It's mild antibacterial plus antiviral activity. It won't kill a virus, but it can reduce other bug irritating in your throats. It's very effective. You have to try this. I tried it. I got better. My son got better. So I made another batch for my youngest. So try this. Let it cool and then add some vitamin C. I used 2 lemons. You could also add turmeric in it. Here it is. It is sweet, good for children. So like and subscribe for more information like this. I'd really love to see a comment and some subscription. Thank you for watching.